To do your video analysis, you're going to open Logger Pro, then come up here to the top left corner and select File, Open. When this box opens, you're going to scroll to the bottom in Experiments and select Sample Movies. When Sample Movies opens, select Basketball Shot. When Basketball Shot opens, select Basketball Shot. It looks like this. You've got a few instructions down here, and there's a couple of things you need to do before you can begin. The first thing is, this is a 2-meter length. You need to measure it. So you'll come up here to these buttons on the side and select the fourth one down that says Set Scale. You'll click on the left side of the ruler, bring it over to the right side of the ruler, and release. This scale box comes up, and that is 2 meters. Then OK. So we've set the scale. Notice things have changed. So your X and your Y in meters, your X velocity in meters per second, and your Y velocity in meters per second. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a dot on the basketball as it travels after it leaves the hand. So this looks good right here. Come over here to these little buttons again, select the second button, and you're going to pick a spot on the ball, and you're going to always click on that spot. I'll try to make it the middle. So now that you've finished putting the dots in, it looks something like this. You're going to need to give titles to graphs. You're going to need to copy and paste graphs from here into that Word document that's on the team's assignment. So let's remember how to do all of that. If you need to put a title on the graph, you double click on the graph. And this is position versus time. And then you can copy it into the Word document. If you need to change the axis, you come over here and you click, you go to More, and then let's change it to the velocity. And OK. So here's my velocity. Notice my Y velocity has a little hook back, so maybe if I'm doing the line of best fit, I do not want to include that area or those dots. And so this is my velocity. I need to change the title, obviously. And then I'll copy and paste this one into my Word document as well. If you need to do a line of best fit, and you click on line of best fit or linear fit up here, you get to choose. So if I want my Y velocity, there we go. Notice it included that little hook, so let's lower it to maybe this one. Okay, that looks better. Maybe I've got something weird going on here at the beginning. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better, more accurate. So you are allowed to change the range if you've got some stray dots.